ikan air.
Pandai-pandai tak ada orang. Seorang terus. Not yet. The time is not yet. Betul lah je. Alah, rezekinya.
Oh my goodness.
Heavy? Up. Wait lah. Tunggu betul. Loh, mana Mami nak tahu? Ada aktiviti bagi makan ikan. Muat ke telur ni.
Kita
Ya.
sedih ada. Ada.
You got it.
Nak buat.
Yeay, good job Noh. Nek sini Noh. Yeay, good job.
Tada!
Yeah.
Faster, faster.
naik ke bawah laku ah.
Hmm. Rambut ni. Tak situ dah belah. Tidur nu.
Ha?
Tidur.
Tidur. Nak baju basah ni dia. No, eat no. Tisu dah.
Tak ada. Tak ada bangga mana.
Oh, untuk dalam.
Dulu ibu masak pun tu.
Dah tutup.
Tak payah.
Ayah, kau nak balik-balik je lah.
Hari tu tak berselut.
I told you eat the ice cream. I told you to eat the ice cream, Mommy. Eat the ice cream. Oh no! It got fell down because oh my goodness! It all clean.
Clean.
Yeah, doesn't work. Yeah, good.
Dia pun heran. Mesti airport tak sama macam bapak aku buat. How many now?
Huh?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Good job,
I
Noor.
got 10. I got so many, Mommy. My daddy got the ribbon. Daddy got the ribbon rope.
Mm-mm.
I could.